Hi guys, it's Colin from bashbackpain.com here. Listen, quite an important video today. It's not going to be that long, but it's all about getting on and off the floor when you've got back pain issues. Chronic lower back pain, sciatica pain, etc. You need to get on and off the floor to do maybe your exercises, even just like be sleeping on into your bed. How do you do it without pain? How do you do it with controlling your spinal stability? A lot of people just instinctively, they just flex forward when they go try to get on the floor, but there is an easier way, okay? And I want to teach you guys through that today. So I've got a small mat down here. This is just going to be for my knees. This could be a pillow, a couple of cushions, okay, yoga mats, whatever you've got to hand. So I'll show you from both sides, but we're going to step up here. Now, I want you to brace your abdominals. If you don't know how to brace, have a look in the description. There's a link there to my bracing video. Okay, but we're just going to like tense our abdominals as if somebody was going to push you or punch into your stomach area. So we brace lightly. It's going to help us protect the spine, give us some spine rigidity through the lower back region. Take a small step back here. Then we're going to do like a split squat. We're just going to bend the knees. I'm going to put my hands here to support myself, keeping the spine neutral. Okay. Then I'm going to step one leg back. I'm going to slide my hands down my thighs, keeping my spine neutral. Then I'm going to walk my hands out onto the floor in front of me. Now my weight is distributed equally between my hands and my knees. I'm going to slide my right leg back and my right hand forward. Okay, now just watch me first. So again, I'm going to contract my abs, I'm going to brace. I'm going to slide the arm, slide the leg, slide. I'm going to drop onto my right elbow. Then I'm going to slide onto my side, keeping the abs tight. Back, I'm going to lift this left leg up, keep the abs really tight, push off, lift, roll. Okay, I'm on the floor. Now, if I want to get back up, we're going to reverse that move. So, bring the leg up here, going to brace the abdominals, tight. Now I'm going to be reaching over, okay, both my knee and my hand. So I'm going to reach over, brace the tight. Here, I'm going to push up, both my right hand and my left hand. I'm going to push up, boom. Now, keep the abs again tight. Bring my right knee through. Stabilize, get together. Walk the hands back onto my thighs, push up. Now again, choose whichever leg you prefer. Left leg, my two hands for support. I can help push upon this, keep my abs tight. I push up, and I'm good. Okay, I'll show you from the other direction. So a lot of people, they try to get on the floor to do their physiotherapy. They're holding on, they're like this. Okay, practice this. Yeah, practice this to get on and off the floor. We're trying to minimize that stress in the lower back. As I've said before, you're trying to take away some of those micro stresses on your discs, on your spinal tissues, to give the body a chance to heal. All right, so let me show you again from this side. So we've got our mat, we've got our pillows, whatever we're choosing. I'm getting into like a split squat position. I brace my abs nice and tight. I'm going to come down here, okay? This time I've not got the mat in a good position, but that's okay. Bear with me. Now, bring the other knee down. Then I'm going to walk my hands down my thighs, keep my spine in neutral. Hands are placed in front of me. Again, I'm going to step back a little bit. So this time, so you can see, I'm going to be pushing my right arm out and my right leg back, okay? I'm going to be a little bit to my left, just so I don't go out of shot. So I'm going to go here, okay? So I'm going to be rolling towards the camera. So we're going to walk that arm out, come to my here, push the leg, maintaining the spine, drop onto my side, reach, and then I'm going to brace the abs, roll, here, and relax. Good. I can do my movements, whatever I need to do, if it's abdominal curls, some stretching perhaps. And then to get back up, as I said, we brace abdominals again. Here I am, I'm going to be reaching over, So I'm going to be rotating. So I go, push, rotate, here. Now I'm going to be pushing up, left hand, right elbow in hand, okay? I push up, push back here, then I push up to here. Take a moment. I want to get myself in a good position here. Move back into the shot a little bit. Walk my hands back, still keeping my abdominals tight and tense. Onto my hands. This time we'll choose the right leg. Come up, right leg, hands for support and some pressure to get me up here. Push and return. Okay, guys. Listen, practice that at home. Hope it's been useful for you guys as well. If you've liked this video, please share it. Any questions, comments, hit me up in the comment section below. Have a great day, and I'll speak to you very soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.